Alright, today me and my boyfriend are going to each wrap the door handles because everyone has their own technique. So let's see what's the best way, what's the easiest way, or what's hard. And I will share that with you. But let's get started. Okay, so this is my first car door handle that I wrapped in psychedelic. This wrap material is very hard to handle. That's what I learned today. And so far so good. A little few things that I need to work on, but yeah, looks really good. Everything's tucked in, wrapped, and good to go. Not bad for the first time, huh? I am very proud of myself. More to come. This is so exciting. Alright, so today we have a challenge. We're gonna wrap the car door handle. Me and my boyfriend have this. Oh my!